Shall we begin?
Guys, do you want to eat healthy salad? So today I'm going to tell you one easy recipe for our children to make a easy salad and healthy. Come. Guys, here we have some ginger. We will put it. Then afterwards I'm going to put these 2 chilies. To make it spicy. If you don't want to make it spicy, so you don't put this. Then I'm putting black salt. Then now here I'm going to put some carrot. Tomato. I had chopped 2 tomatoes. If you want to make some salad only, so you just make for your own. So you only chop one. One cucumber. I chop 1 cucumber here. I will mix it here. Now here I'm going to take chili flakes. Then white pepper. Here is til, means sesame seeds. Now here we are going to put olive oil. Okay, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now here we have a lemon. Okay, now we are going to mix it. Mix it well till all the flavors get together. With fork spoon you can also mix it, with normal spoon you can also mix it. Yummy salad. Now, if you are spicy lover, so put lots of chilies. But if you are not a spicy lover, you are means you like the spice, so do not put chili in your salad. I will try now this salad. Fantastic. Eat healthy salad. Like my video, please subscribe, share and comment. Bye bye.